This is a matter I want to be listed for admission, my lord.
What is the matter? When it was last
A
listed?
criminal petition, my lord.
Ah.
Returnable date has elapsed long back.
Ah.
Respondent has entered appearance. I have verified.
Okay.
I pursued the office there
When?
on 30th, my lord. Obliged, my lord.
May please, your lordship. With the concern of the other side, I beg to mention item number 52, 53, and 54. Hearing, lordship. 52, 53, and 54.
Mhm.
This matter will be taken after 2 weeks, lordship.
You are for the petitioner?
Respondent, lordship. I've taken consent, lordship.
Okay. It's a 2013 matter.
Yes, lordship. Let
Then-
it be fixed, lordship, if after, even after 3.
No, that we can do, but it is difficult. What is the, then why should we not go to the part 2 hearing this?
No, lordship, that is the difficulty. It's a all pending matter. We are
So therefore we'll do it today.
today, lordship, for 2 reasons, lordship, we are going to file an objection also in the second 53. Yes,
Let you wait, we'll see, what is the case about, we'll see.
May I please? Your Lordship,
Yes.
my lord? In respect of item number 28, my lord.
Hmm.
Up to date case they just called for. Perhaps
My lord, absolute case is not yet received, my lord.
Okay.
interim make and
When, Mr. Bhatta?
My lord, on 21st of May, my lord.
21st of May, interim to continue.
21st. But instead of 25, let it 21.
Oh, Yes.
20. Interim.
May please, your lordship, for listing regular bail application on tomorrow, lordship.
Day after. Tomorrow? Okay, tomorrow.
May I please, your lordship, I beg to mention transfer petition criminal, my lord, 22/2023. Maintenance proceeding, my lord, under section 125 CRPC. My lord, I am for the respondent wife, my lord.
Mm.
Matter was last listed on 24/7/2020. It was directed, my lord, to be listed after 4 weeks. But till date, it was not received, and matter is also stayed, my lord,
Yes. When?
on 30th, my lord. Coming.
38 may not be possible, no? Huzu ketia diba? See how many methods you have allowed. Oh, 38.
Obliged, my lord.
May please, your lordship. Lordship, I criminal, my lord.
Hmm.
Early hearing, my lord. Last occasion left over, my lord. Till date not listed, my lord.
Which year?
But I is.
I forget about the appeal is for of which year?
23, my lord.
Inside.
My lord.
What is the conviction?
10 years, my lord.
10 years.
My lord.
Okay. But be ready to argue the case when IA is listed.
My lord.
Don't say that this today is fixed for IA. Yes.
May I please, your lordship? I would like to mention for listing a criminal petition on next Monday.
What is the issue? What is under challenge? Okay, next case.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, item number 70, lordship. Matter may be
17,
taken is
huh?
17, lordship. Matter may be taken is last item, lordship.
Why?
My senior has doctor consultation at 12, lordship.
Uh-huh.
My senior has a doctor consultation.
Wait.
Lordship.
Wait, we'll go serially. We'll see. If necessary, we'll adjourn.
Last item.
Wait for your turn.
Of that.
May I please, your lordship? I pray for mention of item number 41.
Item number?
41. Series not available.
41, my lord,
Yes.
case is not available.
Not
We
available.
are interim.
Any interim?
Yes.
When, Bothakur?
On my lord, 14th of May.
14th of May. Interim to continue.
May I please, lordship, I beg to mention item number 25. CD not received.
25, Bothakur.
25 case is not received, my lord.
Interim may be continued.
Interim? Interim is there?
Yes, my lord, interim is there.
When, Bothakur?
My lord, on 16th of May.
16th.
Lordship, I beg to mention item 20. Finally, the matter may be adjourned and taken up next week.
Whatever.
20 case is received, my lord. 20.
Inside. You want an adjournment?
And the matter may be taken up next week.
He's inside. CD is here.
Council has some family emergencies.
What is this? My person is inside jail.
Understand, but the conducting council has some family difficulty.
We are here. We'll take up. Yes.
Then, lordship, kindly, the matter may be fixed at 2.
We'll see, we wait there.
Obliged. May I please your lordship? I beg to mention for item number 30, lordship. It is not available.
30,
30, my lord, charge sheet submitted in this.
okay. Any interim?
Interim is there.
Okay. Charge sheet being
CS number 30/24,
dated
dated 30/1/24,
31,
24.
24. Interim to continue. এই যেটু হেৰি থাকে আমাদের অর্ডার আছে ওকে yes disposal
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 29.
29 yes
It may be adjourned.
wait for something yes any interim order
Interim is there, 29.
then wait
We have filed a additional affidavit in connection with item number 40.
40
That could be a court.
yes
Hello.
CD is there whatever
Please, your lordship, I beg to mention for urgent listing of a criminal petition.
Hmm.
The petitioner is, lordship, he is a government employee and NBW has been issued against him.
okay
Friday, lordship. Okay.
Wait, please, your lordship. Well, I beg to mention for listing of a anticipated bill application, my lord. It was last posted on 9/4, my lord. The matter did not reach, my lord. So, my lord, it may be taken up next Friday, my lord.
any interim order
One.
90 days is over or what
Well, today's 64 days now.
arrested when
Arrested, my lord, 21 February, man.
then
Then from February, 9 days,
March
March 31 days,
okay.
today's April, man.
Hmm.
April 24. So 64 days, my lord. In fact, my lord, she committed suicide, my lord, by consuming poison.
okay when can we have the case diary
For that, Gorsuk, Guwahati.
Third of May.
3rd of May CD 3rd of May
Your lordship, 51 days counting today.
CD
Restaurant 5/3.
Hmm.
CD on 29, your lordship.
Third, my lord.
wait for something
Same third of May.
3rd of
Your lordship, it's already been 51 days in custody.
serious allegation beating by rod and all we do not know what is the injury
But your lordship, we have also the cross
don't
apparatus
expect
also.
in all cases on the day one yes next
Whether man is, victim is already.
439 application, my lord. Though 376 is there, my lord, but FIR says, my lord, only tried, my lord.
Mr. Das
My lords,
seriously doubtful case have you seen the materials
my lord.
the 376 what to do how many days
The 14 days.
Huh?
14 days.
only 14 days
I have given one
have-
chance.
face the trial for this kind of trial for your activities. No way out. When? Even early day,
Gopur, my lord.
Kapoor. Problem is that
8 of
election,
8 of May.
8 of May. We'll see on 8 of May.
Acquisition under section 406, 429, 409, lord.
Hmm. Yes, there. When?
This is from Zonai, my lord. It will take some time, my lord. 10th of May, my lord.
10th of.
AB item number 5.
My lord, 438 application and FIR is at page 20, my lord. My lord, if your lordship goes to the FIR, it will be clear that this is a false case, my lord.
Thus, we are inclined to grant interim. Oh, you are here. Interim.
My lord, page 10, I have paragraph, page 10, I have made a statement My statement was record, petitioner's statement was
You go
record.
and appear within 10 days. You give the statement, we'll see in the case.
My lord, this is 438 application, my lord.
So therefore, we are granting you interim.
My lord, I'm sorry, my lord.
Marat on the 22nd of May.
22nd of May, in time statement within 10. Yes.
Item 6.
Yes, my lord. Only peruse the FIR at page 11.
Interim,
In time.
within 10 days. When, but
22nd.
22nd.
7.
same.
5/11.
Actually, your lordship, 438 application.
Same. When 26, 28.
কোন থানা হবে?
8, Gauripur PS.
So it file is not given.
CD interim.
Obliged, lordship.
CD on
99.
From Gauripur.
Gauripur.
21.
21.
21.
Obliged, lord.
Hey, 8 to file দিও না next. Serial number 8 to 9. May I please proceed?
Yes.
Sir, I have filed this criminal revision.
Police can notice.
At least it's notice.
Heard Swenson. Is an application under. Under section 102 of the Juvenile Justice within bracket care and protection of children bracket close act 2015 read with section 397 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. Assailing an order, assailing the judgment dated 11/1/2024 passed by the learned additional session judge FTC North Salmara Abhaipuri in criminal appeal number 3 within bracket 4/2020. Issue notice returnable 4 weeks. Steps, he accepts notice. 1 steps within 5 days.
Item number 10.
None appears for the petitioner on call, least after a week.
Wait, please. Wait,
Be fast, you are a young boy. Yes,
Wait, please, your lordship. The petitioner.
where is the earlier order judgments?
My lord.
Where are the determination made in earlier proceeding? Your case
Here-
is that
there
there
are
is
next one.
suppression of earlier proceedings
Yes.
and subsequently an order was passed. Where are the earlier proceedings?
The previous orders are annexed already.
Where, that is what I am asking. Where are those? We have not yet opened the file.
The impugned order is on page 45.
No, impugned order we know, the earlier orders.
Earlier orders, the first time, the first case was that GR 614
Where is the
2017.
order?
Earlier order, my lord.
Have you annexed?
I will point it out.
The learned counsel is not ready. Please this matter after a week. Yes, next case.
Better is waiting for.
11, no?
Okay, scan copies all by this court has not yet been received. Registry to issue reminder and list this matter on 15th. of-
My lord, at the outset, I'll just point it out, my lord, this is the third AB, my lord.
Third
Oh,
AV?
second. For him, second, I believe. Yes, ma'am. The wife was the third one, my lord. Your lordship was.
Who has been granted by the apex court?
The effect with the wife, the main accused, my lord.
Main accused
Main
granted.
accused.
Who are you? I'm the husband and I am the, I was the chairman of the construction committee of a local gymnasium of Baboi Gao Panchayat. Why have you not gone to that upstairs? And before your lordship. For me, your lordship is here, my lord. Because at that time, your lordship rejected the second one, my lord, on the ground that the investigation is progress. But the Honorable Supreme Court said that since they have recorded their statements after interim. That is their view. That's why, my lord, I have annexed those orders also. Much more liberal than us. Your lordship is also quite liberal, I'll say. But it's
Okay,
goes that
CD.
way.
Nobody will do anything to you.
No,
See,
my lord,
thrice
my lord will take one thing on record. If anybody will not do anything, I would have never approached it before your lordship.
no, because
No, my lord.
no,
There are something,
because
we
there
have to
are
abide by the law.
3 times they are twice rejected.
No, mine is once rejected. Wife was twice rejected.
Yours is why once rejected by this court.
By this.
By this group.
Once rejected,
Okay,
earlier I can give.
Considering that in the meantime, and co-accused has been granted bail by the Honorable Apex Court. In the interim, it is protected.
24th of May.
24th May. Much.
Item number 16. Bail hearing GA.
Other sir, adjourn also bail hearing.
Only one.
No. Huh? Okay. Yes.
LCR not received.
LCR not yet
I'll just place, my lord, page 22, my lord.
Yes.
22, my lord. Order dated 10/11/22. The accused so and so are produced from judicial custody, heard. CW are examined and cross-examined and discharged.
Where pay order is it?
10/11/22.
Page.
Page 22, my lord. Annexure E. CW is present and examined, cross-examined, discharged. Prosecution evidence closed. Fix so and so for statement of defense. Accused remanded to judicial custody till then with direction so and so. Since 10/11/22 till date, my lord. It is for SD, my lord. Statement of defense, and they are also not sending the LCR.
23rd of November 2022.
My lord.
Since then, it is pending for.
SD. Statement of defense.
Now, how many bails are pending?
The latest orders are here.
Huh?
Latest orders.
Why
Now-
3 bails have
Then on 23/11/22, it was fixed. Then it came up on 22/1/24. In between also there is one.
just wait for a date. Okay.
Short date.
Short date. Heard Mr. Prasad, learned counsel for the petition. This is an application under section 439 CRPC, praying for grant of bail to the accused petitioner who is at present facing trial in session case number 188/2016 pending before the learned additional session judge number 4 FTC Kamrup Metro corresponding to Nunmati PS case number 111/2016 under section 376/302/201 IPC. Full stop. Referring to an order dated, referring to Annexure page,
Annexure E, page 22.
referring to Annexure E series, page 22, which are orders passed by the learned additional and district judge FTC number 4 Kamrup Metro. Mr. Prasad, learned counsel, submits that the 23rd of November submits that the prosecution where is that?
10-11-22. The
Okay.
third paragraph, prosecution evidence closed.
Okay.
Then 6:23 left
Referring to the order dated 10-11-2022, Mr. কি করলো last order to submits that the prosecution witness was closed on the said date and thereafter matter was fixed for SD and SD na
SD.
Uh,
Statement of defense.
SD. And since then, the matter has already been adjourned and not proceeded. Thus, even after closure of prosecution evidence, the petitioner is behind bar for all, huh?
8 years, 1.
No, from closure,
This,
22,
1 year, 5 months.
1 year, 5 months. Full stop. In this regard, Mr. Prasad has also produced certain
It's in process.
orders passed by the learned additional district and session judge Kamrup Metro, which discloses that on different grounds, the matter was adjourned, but not on the prayer of the accused petitioners. That being the position, full stop. This court earlier called for the scanned copies of the orders. However, same is not yet received. Full stop. Registry to reissue a reminder of such record and also call for a record detailing the reasons of non-examination of the accused
Under 313.
under section 313
How this year, basically.
till date, if the statement made by Mr. Prasad is correct. List this matter on. The matter is to be treated as urgent as if the arguments, if the submission made by Mr. Prasad is correct, that will amount to deprivation of the petitioner's right under Article 21 of the Constitution of India. List this matter on next week, Friday. Registry to treat this matter as urgent.
Obliged.
17.
Yeah, please, Lordship, kindly may allow for time being, Lordship.
CD is there?
CD signal.
Okay. Wait for something.
15.
15 minutes.
Put it in an application, Lordship.
Where is the affair?
FIR is on.
Huh?
17 or 18. FIR is on page. Lordship. Page 10, Lordship. Page 11, Lordship.
कितना हो जाएगा चलो same case ready मतलब along with item number 17
17 and 18 same. Okay, wait for
same case.
19.
Yes, Mr. Rashid.
Ma'am, I am for the custody, today, the 52 days.
Where is the affair?
FIR can be annexed 1 minute, page 6. Translate going, is there. 7 is 11%. Married.
302.
304
No, 304. 304B. 7 years minute, 60 days study period, and today is 52 days. And similarly, other persons, they have filed every minute, they have been granted a period. And I am custody minute for 52 days.
52 days.
52 days.
This is period is
90 days
No, 60 days. 7 years minute.
304.
304B, 7 years.
How can it 304 be?
No, there is-
Strangulated,
there
killed.
is- Yes, minute, there is not my hanging minute.
Huh?
Hanging.
What's a hanging?
Hanging.
Well, on 2nd of May, I will try to get it.
60 days.
Today is, my lord, 52 days. Maybe, my lord. Yes.
Local person.
Considering the period of details. You have one instruction. Can you have whether Sarsi
Yes, my
file?
lord, at 2.
At two, we are taking up this. Because if a Sarsi is filed, that will be a different situation.
Yes.
We never know 52
My
days.
instruction will not the CD.
No,
Yes, my lord.
let him have, because
My lord.
see, ultimately, everybody were arrested, statements recorded, person died. I do not think any further interrogation will be
Yes,
required.
yes,
But still then if Sarsi is not filed, we'll allow it.
yes.
Okay?
In 20,
Instruction to found. 20, my lord, case diary received.
You want something adjournment?
Lordship, I'll do.
Where is the FIR?
Lordship, kindly peruse the FIR at page 3. Lordship, 102 bundles of suspected fake currency note were recovered from the possession of accused person named Muhammad.
Is also
Abu
same or
Hanifa.
what?
Yes.
17 and 18.
No, my lord, the 17 and 18, my lord, this is different case diary. my lord.
Okay, okay.
Different, no.
May I continue, Lordship?
Yes.
So the 102 bundles of suspected fake currency note were recovered from the accused person, namely Muhammad Abu Hanifa.
Abu,
Hanifa.
where
Further,
do
he
where do
stated,
you get that?
so both the petitioners are not named in the FIR and nothing incriminating has been found from their possession.
Okay. Why you have then been arrested? You are a group member.
Both the petitioners hails from the same village. Also, your lordship, to attract section 489 name 49C, something incriminating material has to be found from the possession of the petitioners. So nothing
Yes,
incriminating.
whatever, what is
Uh,
the material
Yes, my lord,
against this
initially,
person?
yes, my lord, I will point out, my lord.
Ah.
Initially, Abu Hanifa was arrested from
Arrested.
his possession, my lord, 37 lakh
7 lakhs recovered.
88,000 recovered. Thereafter, on the basis of during investigation from Mizanur Rahman, present accused number 1, my lord, total, my lord, one bundle, I will point out, my lord. Total 40,000 of fake currency notes were recovered, my lord, from the present accused person, Mizanur Rahman, accused number 1, my lord. There are 2 accused.
How much? How much?
40,000, my lord. Total 18 numbers of suspected to be fake Indian currency note of rupees 500 denomination, my lord. Total 40,000. And thereafter, my lord, he was arrested, and he, in his statement also, my lord, he admitted how he is involved along with all other accused persons in, my lord.
There are only one petitioner.
2 petitioner, my lord. I will point out regarding
Okay.
2 also. my
This is name is
lord. Mizanur Rahman,
Mizanur.
petitioner number 1, and Abdul Hai, he is also one of the main culprit from the, my lord, statement of the other witnesses, and he is also the petitioner number 2 is also, my lord, involved, earlier arrested in one another case, Romia PS case number 379/22, habitual offender, my lord. My lord, all are, my lord, part of the gang, my lord. All are involved in, my lord, committing this type, my lord, in making of, my lord, preparation of fake Indian currency notes, and thereafter, my lord, these are all sufficient material against all the.
Lordship, mandatory period is 60 days, already behind bars for 40
Not
days.
60 days, my lord, 90 days.
90 days, 90 days.
On any strict terms, and bail may be allowed.
It's a very serious, it's much more serious than 302. It kills the economy, kills the country. Hard. Spencer and Mr. Bothouse. The present application is filed. Case diary produced is produced. First of, from the case diary, it is seen that initially, from possession of one Muhammad Abu Hanifa, fake Indian currency note of totaling 37 lakhs 80,000 were recovered.
Yes, 88,000.
During the course of the investigation, another amount of 40,000
40,000.
of fake Indian currency note in denomination of
Rupees 500.
rupees 500.
Total
were re-
80.
Huh?
Total numbers of 500 denomination 80.
Were recovered from the petitioner Mizanur Rahman, and accordingly he was arrested. During the course of the investigation, it was also found that the petitioner Abdul Hai is also involved with Mizanur and Abu Hanifa, and he was earlier arrested in connection with Rongia PS
Yes,
case
yes,
number
Three-
379/2022 involving fake currency,
Yes.
involving manufacturing of fake
Currency.
Indian currency note. Considering the material so far collected and the stage of investigation, this court is of the opinion that further custodial detention
Yes.
of the petitioner may be necessary. Accordingly, the present bail application stands dismissed at this stage.
Obliged.
21.
Case diary be returned.
21 minutes CD not received minutes.
Allegation under section lawsuit 366 and petitioner is behind the bar for 30 days lawsuit. And there was a law affairs lawsuit. She voluntarily came to me and subsequently she being minor of 17 years, 6 months. I handed over her to the.
What is your age?
Age 24 years. Miss.
You are 24, she's
My-
17.
She is 17 and 6 months. As per allegation is in the page 7.
Yes, but when can you have it?
My lord, on 7th of May. My lord.
How many days you are behind?
Oh, sorry, my lord, not 7th of May. My lord.
Be dear person.
On the 3rd of May.
See
My lord.
the fruit of having love with a minor girl.
I handed over on
You
that.
have
very
the
day.
fruit, eat it for some time.
On 3rd of May. My lord. I
Huh?
tried.
3rd of May.
3rd of May.
22.
Regulation lawsuit.
Yes,
FIR page 8, my lord.
page 8.
I'm the question number 1, my lord.
My lord, yesterday, your
Yesterday,
lordship
my
has
lord,
granted
another-
one person, my lord, and he is also, my lord, in the same footing.
Which case? Which case? Yesterday's item number.
I don't know.
You are having the copy?
Yes, ma'am.
Give this. Dispose of.
Yes. Mughal Hussain. Mughal Hussain. my lord.
Publish.
23.
Yes.
It's important with 39 application lordship. FIR is at page 13 lordship, the original FIR. The accused in the
It is there, whatever.
It is there, my lord, but the injury report is not available. But my lord, one of the witness Kushal my lord, mother of the Kushal Kolita,
Hmm.
her statement is also available, my lord. There are some land dispute between them as per this.
How many days?
Lordship,
How
29
many days?
29 days. Yes.
Considering the material so far collected and the stage of investigation, this court is of the view that further custodial detention may not be necessary for the further investigation, in as much as petitioner has been in custody since
27th
27th of
3/24.
March 2024, and he has thoroughly been interrogated. To the satisfaction of
The Sri CJ Mongol Demal.
This is 438 application lordship and the petitioner is
438.
lordship and petitioner is an interim lordship.
What is the allegation?
Allegation lordship page number 10 lordship is the
Page
FIR
number?
10 and operating person lordship will start from page number 13.
Page number 13. There is no 13 page number.
Operating person lordship.
Upper page, there is no page 13 in this petition. What is your name? Deborah's?
Vidyut Patwari lordship.
Vidyut Patwari.
Item number 24. Yes, sir, 24, my lord, in this case, 30 submitted.
30 submit.
30 submitted.
Yes.
24. This is item 24, na?
24.
Search sheet being
Search sheet being number 19/24, dated 30/1/24.
3124. Okay, 3124. Interim আছে, but order to জানা লিখা খালি না, as not.
15 days I will appear to the court below, Lordship. Published.
We are giving you protection till you appear, you are called through a summon
Lordship.
by the trial court.
Published.
26.
26 to 30.
None appears for the petitioner and call. Scan copy has come, whatever, go through it,
Yes.
27.
list after a week.
May I please, Your Lord?
Yes.
The CD has been called in.
27, my lord, case diary not received, my lord.
I'm in interim.
Okay.
I'm for the informing.
Okay, when?
On
Whatever.
16th of May, my lord.
16th of May, interim to continue.
May I please record it?
We do not waste ink and paper.
29.
May I please, Your Lordship? 38, my lord. And my lord, by order dated 12/1/2024, I was granted.
Where is the FIR?
My lord, page 8, my lord.
Page 8.
I have already appeared, my lord. Nothing was recovered from us, my lord, from me, my lord. Suspect, my lord. I have given my
Not a
statement.
case of. Anyway,
Otherwise, my, I would just like to point out one thing, my lord. Yes, the accused person is in interim statement recorded, that is true. And regarding the, my lord, allegations, my lord.
very serious.
Very serious, and petitioners were in the, on duty on the,
Think of it,
and they are, yes, my-
but their interim is granted.
yes.
You have given responsibility to protect people and you have become robbers.
Hello, I'd like to point out one another thing, my lord. Here, my lord, your lordship may kindly peruse.
No, we'll not peruse. We'll adjourn it.
Yes.
I'm not inclined to grant bail to these people. You are the protector for these passengers, railway passengers, and you
Yes.
looted railway passengers. And you are on interim.
All are on interim, my lord.
Where is the interim order?
My lord, 12/1/2024.
What to do?
Another matter is fixed on, my lord, 29, my lord. He was also, my lord, granted interim, my lord. I have the
29, we'll see.
Yes.
Don't be assured, 29. It is submitted that similar matters are listed on, is fixed on
29, my lord.
29, being BA number, AB
AB
number?
number 3914.
3914 23. List accordingly along with the said bail application on
Interim order
29.
may be continued.
Interim order pass earlier.
Obliged.
1.
CD not.
Mr. Bothakur submits that up-to-date case diary has not yet been received. Accordingly, matters
On 21/5.
stand adjourned. List it on 25,
21/5.
21/5, 2022. Interim order pass earlier. Shall continue.
till the next date of this.
32,
32 also, my lord, schedule not received.
Okay, when?
21/5, my lord, he is.
In the-
25 interim. complete.
Ablash.
33,
33 also, my lord, case value not received.
Any interim?
No, no, sir, I brought in that.
My lord, I will get instruction, my lord, probably in this case, search sheet submitted.
Okay, we have the instruction two or some other day.
At 2, my lord.
At-
At 2, I will-
34,
34, my lord, search sheet submitted.
It is submitted, by Mr. Bothakur that search sheet has already been filed. It's interim is there, huh? Search
Uh,
AB, search sheet
Yes,
being,
interim is there.
search sheet being
Search sheet number 27/24, dated 30/3/24.
3324 disposal.
35,
Yes,
May I please your lordship?
where is the FIR?
FIR lordship, page number 9 lordship. Allegation is that lordship, the petitioner number 1 developed love relationship with the informant lordship. And thereafter they had physical relations. And after that lordship, and the
Statement recorded,
Statement recorded.
considering the nature of allegation and the previous relation between the petitioner and the accused and stage of investigation, this court is of the view that custodial detention may not be necessary for the interest of the investigation. Accordingly, absolute.
36,
May I please, your lord?
Yes.
My lord, here the petitioner before lordship, he is a my lord educated and running a computer kiosk, my lord.
Where is the FIR?
FIR page here, allegation is that, my lord.
Space.
Page 10.
First let us, and we know the allegations are all false. But
Yes,
is not it?
allegation
So
is
therefore,
allegation.
we first want to understand what is the allegation.
489 series, my lord.
Okay, where is that FIR?
FIR page 10, my lord. Police arrested, my lord, two persons, namely Jahirul and Shoaib Ali. On the basis of their
Just
statement.
give me a minute. What is your name? You are not named.
It is my name, my lord, in the last paragraph, my lord.
Page 10, last paragraph.
Last paragraph of page 10. Thereafter, we immediately proceed. My lord, got it.
The recovered items were seized for seizureless.
Last paragraph, 1, 2, 3, 4th line.
Thereafter.
Thereafter. Here, my lord, on the basis of their statement, I am a computer, my lord, shop operator, my lord. I am doing DTP and providing internet service, etc.
You should confine to DTP only.
Here.
DTP should not go beyond. Yes, case diary.
Yes.
What is your?
And the two person arrested, my lord, by the police. They, your lordship, kindly page 15. After, within 30 days, they were released on bail. Page 15. 9/2, they were released on bail. 10/1, 4/1, they arrested, and 9/2, they are released on bail. Page 15 order.
Okay, we'll do that. You surrender, we'll give after 15 days.
And the vehicle, my lord, seized, also given Jimma, my lord, page 18. To the owner. And your lordship, kindly note the thing, my lord, what seized from my custody, my lord. Laptop, Epson printer, my lord. This printer cannot, my lord, be used for, my lord, printing of, my lord, My lord is well aware, my lord, every.
No, how, I have not been involved in this
Every advocate
business.
chamber, my lord, every advocate chamber has such kind of printer.
We do not know. Epson is
And-
having hundreds of models.
Model is there, but
So this is
model
not
has been
our-
detailed. And what, my lord, seized from the arrested accused, my lord, A4 size, one bundle of A4 size piece.
Yes, what is the case
Their
there?
lordship, when the first seizure was made, lordship, from the vehicle, there altogether, lordship, 76,500 of fake currency was seized. It has been sent for FSL. That report has not been received as of yet. Lordship, then lordship, the present petitioner, his shop was searched, lordship. There all these seizures were made. Lordship, now since he's absconding, lordship, further investigation is yet to be
Now
completed.
tell us, on what basis you have searched his shop?
Lordship,
What is the material in the CD?
Lordship, Lordship will kindly peruse the order that has been granted bail to the other accused person. There, the specific finding is that, Lordship, they were not the ones who had manufactured. In fact, Lordship, from the case diary, it appears they were used as pawn to deliver the money to some other person by this present petitioner, Lordship. From their statement also, it is clear.
Swas.
Yes, sir.
Like mark those.
Yes, sir. Two statements are there, Lordship. One more statement. Is there. Almost the same, Lordship. Statement is almost the same. Now, Lordship, when they, based on this statement, Lordship, they were granted bail, Lordship. And
Based
this
on this.
offense, Lordship, this is 90 days offense. Lordship,
Because he, other is a driver.
Yes, Lordship. And they were used as pawn, Lordship, only as pawn.
Driver even may not be involved. He is running a vehicle for years.
That is why, Lordship, they were granted bail. Lordship, for the purpose of investigation, since this is AB, Lordship, at this stage, Lordship, it may not be granted. Lordship. My humble prayer.
My submission is that, my lord, the bail order granted to the co-accused, it reflects that for last more than 1 month, there is no progress in the investigation. And investigation has been progressed at.
Now
That's it.
it will progress.
So my same submission, my lord, it was on 9th
If
of
you
February.
help, then it will
I will
progress.
cooperate, my lord, any condition.
No, we'll help you cooperating.
I
Hard.
will cooperate, your lordship may provide any condition, my lord.
Hard.
Same submission is, my lord, after 2 months, my friend is, my lord.
Swensu. Is there any interim order?
No, no, indeed.
This is an application, Swensu same. Case diary produce is produced. From the case diary, it is seen that in fact, Indian currency note amounting to rupees. How much initially?
37,500, if I'm not wrong.
37,000 LS fake currency note, huh?
I'm sorry, Lordship, 76,500.
76,500 were recovered from a vehicle along with from the possession and from a vehicle from possession of one accused Moinuddin and what is your name? Zahirul.
Petitioner, you have
Johirul and
Moinuddin.
Lordship Sorab Ali.
Shoaib Ali.
Shoaib Ali.
Johirul and Shoaib Ali. Johirul and Shoaib Ali. Johirul and Shoaib Ali. Soab, S-O-A-B, Soab Ali.
Joyrul and Soyabali, full stop. The petitioner the computer shop of the petitioner was thereafter searched on the basis of the statement of the aforesaid accused person, and certain materials suspected to be used in manufacturing and printing fake currency note were recovered. However, petitioner could not be arrested. Apprehending arrest, the present application is filed. The material so far collected suggests that petitioner is one of the kingpin in manufacturing fake Indian currency note, and he had delivered the fake currency note to the co-accused Jahirul Islam and Suab Ali. Full stop. The case diary further reveals that the investigation is at very nascent stage, and therefore, nascent stage. Considering the material so far collected and suggestive involvement of the petitioner, this court is not inclined to grant privilege of pre-arrest bail to the petitioner. Accordingly, same stance dismissed.
I am obliged.
Case diary be returned. Yes.
37.
CD received.
Yes.
38 application. Allegation is under 376, Your Lordship.
Where is the affair?
Page number 20.
What is the age of the victim?
Married lady.
Huh?
Married lady.
Married lady.
Apparently, Lordship, she had a
Considering the material available on record, including the statement of the victim victim lady, as well as other materials, this court is of the opinion that custodial interrogation of the petitioner may not be necessary in this case. Accordingly, since granted, allowed with a condition will be he will appear within a period of 10 days. There is no interim?
No interim, Your Lordship.
Within 10 days, you appear and get your statement record.
Right.
And other conditions will be given.
Not a 438 application. The
Yes.
petitioner is a widow, my lord, and her unmarried son and she are the only two persons living in a house. They used to have a domestic helper, my lord, maid. And unfortunately, my lord, an incident happened, which we say is a suicide, but then a FIR has been registered, my lord, saying that it is a case of Treasurer 2.
Now, what happened is
The son was arrested, my lord. He spent he was the prime suspect. 90 days mandatory period is over, my lord, and he was then released on bail. But then since charge sheet has not been submitted, my lord, it is apprehended that now they might look to arrest the mother also.
so son was Ripunjoy was arrested.
He was arrested. He spent a 90 days mandatory.
Ripunjoy arrested, my lord. The allegation is that, my lord, when she went to the house of the, my lord, accused person, my lord, for getting the money she owed, my lord, then they murdered her.
That is the
That
allegation.
is the
But
allegation.
actually, what is it?
Actually, my
Will
lord,
that be a reason of murder?
PM, yes, my lord, and PM suggests, my lord, there is a, my lord,
Is it a suicide or?
oblique, non-continuous ligation mark was there. In the body of the deceased, my lord, and the suicide was, my lord, in the bathroom of the accused person.
So what do you suggest? Is it a suicide or a murder? Suicide.
It's
Apparently,
difficult to say.
because of that mark. Huh?
Yes.
So have the benefit, lady, considered
And other thing is that, my lord, her statement is there in the city.
CD. Recorded. You had interim.
No, no, my lord. Initially, when the son was arrested, my lord, I was also in
Okay. But still you go and appear before, consider the material so far collected by the
investigating officer. Also peruse the postmortem report. First of- Considering the material so far collected, this court is of the view that
complete PM খন আহিব লাগিব।
custodial interrogation of the present petitioner may not be necessary for further investigation inasmuch as the prime accused, that is suspected prime accused, that is the son of the present petitioner, has already been arrested and thoroughly interrogated. First of all, accordingly, present bail petition stands allowed appear within 10 days record statement and other conditions. Disposed of. Yes.
My lord, CD we have not received, ma'am.
Okay.
From Dhumuri, my lord. Can I pay for a date, my lord?
When?
It will date.
As per your convenience, give a
My
date.
lord, on my lord, 14, my lord.
14th. CD.
40 CD received. My lord,
Where is the FIR?
Page 13, man.
Page 13.
13.
ইহৰ কেছে আছে আৰু দুটা কেছ
Absolutely false allegations. The person who already released on bail.
And
Where is this?
what is behind the city, just I want to inform my lord, one of the co-accused, my lord, owes money from the my lord victim, my lord.
These are forcefully signing a signature. They owe money to them.
Yes, they owe money to them. After that, my lord, that is why, my lord, this victim was kidnapped, my lord, and taken away in a hotel, my lord. After that, my lord, he was taken to a building, my lord. And then demanding that you have to pay such
Money and sign the
But
signature
no,
and says,
yes,
put a
but-
signature in your check.
And then what happened, my lord, he, along with the victim, his brother-in-law was also there.
He fled
So
away.
he fled away, my lord.
Mm.
And my lord, there occurred a dispute that, my lord, regarding the amount, my lord.
Mm.
But the police came afterward, police came and arrested, my lord. And this person is among the persons who have.
You
confined.
refer his,
I cannot concede, my lord, but.
no, you cannot concede.
But what the investigation suggests that and CCTV footages has come, my lord, that he is also one of the person who is there along with the goons, my lord.
Yes,
That
it
is-
is correct, my lord. You lost
It is correct. How can you get to
No, my
anticipate?
lord. I am not associate, my lord. I was present there, my lord. I will.
Other the main accused has been
Yes,
arrested.
yes. You lost your say additional evidence I filed, my lord.
Indicated this petitioner that he has.
Let him have you have an interim?
He has.
No, my lord. You lost I filed additional evidence.
No. Have you recorded your statement?
Yes, I will. Yes.
Is there an interim?
No, my lord, not.
We are giving a protection for a timing.
Yes.
You return back the case diary and we'll see thereafter. If he's really the part of
Yes.
the gang, may not be. But if not, suppose, or he might not, he may be the associates also. Chalo will do something.
Yes, my lord. They are the persons who, my lord, create the pressure
Yes,
that
sir.
you give them money.
My lord,
They may be partners of this, but may not be directly.
my lord, you lost your I filed additional evidence, my lord.
This is.
Additional evidence lost your receive.
No additional affidavit here.
It is in text, my lord. Page 18, my lord. The main person who was arrested, he released on bail and paragraph 7 is lost.
Let us do one thing. Main person has been arrested, release on bail. You also surrender. We'll release you on bail. Okay.
Meantime, these have any.
Only paragraph 7 is clearly
So
discussed.
do that, fine, you have brought in an additional affidavit, we'll do that, parity. What do you say, Mr. Goswami?
Yes, that
You
will be, my
arrest
lord.
him, you'll surrender day
Yes.
after tomorrow before Hatigaon Thana. And then file an application, will, after how many days earlier will get granted?
Some days so.
Yes,
Some
that
days
is-
after a week.
I'll leave it. I'll go for
Why you argue which is
Well,
not
well.
necessary?
Well, that is what I.
You are granting interim.
Yes, my lord.
See, what Mr. Spencer. Case diary call for is produced. This court is of the view that for the time being, till further progress is made in the investigation process, the petitioner is required to be protected by an interim order. Accordingly, subject to the conditions as enumerated herein below, the petitioner be released and suspension. Okay? Case diary produce be returned back for updation. List this matter
On 20 May, my lord.
20 May. In the meantime, condition to do, you will appear and you make your statement
Yes.
and confront him with the CCTV camera.
Lord. Yes, sir.
Regarding again.
This is my lord here, day before yesterday, I have pointed out before the lordship, two petitions,
Two cases were filed for
Why-
the
why-
same reason, but
Who filed in the first point of time?
I have filed.
Huh?
I have
Where is the other counsel?
my friend.
In 57 year lordship, in 57 year lordship, I am appearing for 57.
So 57 is later point of the time. Yes. What is your explanation?
Admittedly, your lordship, my petition is filed subsequently. Lordship, kindly have a look, your lordship. The affidavit shown by the petitioner, your lordship.
you cannot, my lord, he has to give the statement that no petition is
Petition
pending.
is
my lord.
pending.
My lord. In that way, my lord, he is.
Will proceed against this.
I myself also feeling shy, your lordship, such type of incident should
No,
not
you
be.
should be careful.
But yes, yes.
We are not saying you should be careful.
Affidavit to keep. Affidavit to keep.
We may start a proceeding under 195.
I should kindly see the affidavit, your lordship.
You file everything in the investigation, will ask to register an FIR, then you will have your defensive proceed. You will not allow this person to go scot-free. We do not know if lawyers are involved, they are involved, the action will be taken against them also. We know nothing.
Therefore, your lordship, I am honestly saying, your lordship, such type of incident should not be, and I myself also feeling shy, your lordship.
No, it should not be. Therefore, we will.
Therefore, only,
give a-
your lordship, I ask my client, your lordship, to clarify this.
So therefore, we'll ask him to be personally present before this court and we'll, what is that provision, Mr. Bhattakur, 195?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
180.
195. Okay. The petitioner, namely Rezabul Haq, has filed AB 685/2024. Seeking under 438 of the Code of Criminal, Section 438 of the Code of Criminal Procedure for granting pre-arrest bail to him in connection with Bogwan PS case number 74/2023. Corresponding to GR number 1502/2023 under section 302/34 IPC. Subsequently, during during pendency of the aforesaid bail petition, another bail petition, another bail petition being AB number 985 under section 438 in connection with the same police station case has been filed.
has been filed. Where is the statement? It is in terms of the extent norm, it is mandatory to disclose and make a declaration in the bail petition that no bail petition is pending before any other court.
Page 6,
Page 6.
paragraph 9.
Such statement has also been made in the present petition, which is quoted here in filed in petition number in AB number 985/2024, which is quoted here in below. Paragraph 9. In view of the aforesaid, in view of the aforesaid, CRPC and IPC both. In view of the aforesaid, this court is of the prima facie opinion that that
So 195 is my lord, some space mention of public servant also, my lord.
what is the provision in IPC
Another is my lord for
that perjury offense?
201 is for false.
201, no?
For giving false.
Committed an of prima facie view that committed an offense under section 201 of the 201 of the Indian Penal Code. Full stop. However, before proceeding further to take any action before proceeding further and taking any action as prescribed under section 195 CRPC, this court thinks it appropriate to give a chance to the petitioner to explain and to show cause why the action shall not be taken against the petitioner permissible under law to proceed against him in view of such false declaration, in view of making such false declaration on oath as quoted herein above. Registry to issue a notice to the petitioner and such notice be served through the
I am reading 199 also, my lord.
199.
Main section only 199.
199.
201 will be, my lord, for protecting the offender, my lord.
199, yes. Where is his address? Police station?
Bhagwan Police.
The registry shall serve an order of this petition upon the petitioner through the officer in charge, Bhagwan Police Station. This matter be treated as part heard and be listed on which date? Give a date.
He lawsuit directed to APA.
Yes, person.
But APA without protection because
Huh?
he has no any protection.
No, we have not given any protection. If he is arrested in other case, we do not. Don't try to defend until and unless you are involved. Say that you are involved, he is not guilty. If you say that, we'll withdraw this order. Let him say what is he is to say. There should be, until and unless you take appropriate action in appropriate time and appropriate case, this is going to happen. Yes.
One. Because they are.
Defend him, what I'm
Yes,
saying.
yes.
Let him defend. Admitted position is that two petitions are there. Admitted position is that this is the subsequent petition. We have not directed any wrong things. Admitted position is that you have made a declare. If everything is correct, let him explain, not you.
My affidavit may be.
No, your affidavit will see later on. We are not taking cognizance of anything. No, you keep it, let him file affidavit, whatever, what is not. If necessary, we'll give a date. Necessary, we'll ask for further investigation. May involve lawyer, we do not know. May involve agent, we do not know.
Date.
Date.
Lordship, 10-year lordship, I have some problem because. Any date of 14-year lordship because
14.
12. Okay.
15.
15.
15. Okay.
191,
CD we have received the
190.
10.
Huh?
CD we have received. We received.
CD return back.
Return back.
Or we can decide this application.
Another one, yes.
No.
Yes.
Oh, no, we'll not decide because two applications are there. Okay. This is case diary may be returned back.
Standing items, items.
It's an discretionary exercise, 438,
Yes,
equitable,
Yes.
discretionary. So these kind of petitioners should not, are not entitled. Yes, next. Item?
My lord, in this case, the affair is at phase 13. My lord, the GS was arrested while, my lord, when my lord, the rented house of one Kormokar was raided, lordship.
What?
My lord,
Where is the affair? Tell us first.
at phase 13, lordship. The petitioner was a GS lordship on that very fateful day, lordship. Raid was here in the rented house of.
So many fake
Oh, that's
currency
problem.
cases.
Yes. This is going on, lordship.
You are Deborah's Kormokar.
No.
Saifuddin.
Saifuddin Suja.
I came to Guwahati, my lord, to purchase, my lord, some parts of old vehicle or vehicles, lordship. I have trade license, lordship. Trade license is at phase 8, lordship. My lord, I was guest. my
Just
lord.
let us understand how it was. Okay, you are Saifuddin. And who is the item number 18?
Is my Deborah's Kormokar, man. There are two
Deborah.
accused, man.
Okay.
My lord,
Yes, what
41
is your case? What is your case?
My lord, my case, I was, my lord, Saifuddin Suza, lordship. I was the guest, lordship. On that the very night, lordship, I was dear lordship, came to Guwahati to purchase, my lord, some.
You
parts
are
of
not a
cars.
tenant. You are a guest.
Yes, lordship.
Okay.
Tenant is the first, lordship.
Okay.
Any from the facts on the facts of affair, lordship, two parts, lordship. One is my lord possession, lordship. Other is suspected to be, my lord, sitting to sit the, my lord, people, my lord. In the affair, it is not stated whom the, my lord, the alleged my lord, accused have seated, lordship. Nothing is just mere suspicion, lordship. Possession, lordship, what I am submitting 489C. Well, that is valuable, lordship. In a 41 days, today, lordship, 41 days completed, lordship. My lord, further custodial interrogation, my lord, in my humble submission may not be necessary, my lord.
Okay, you are Saifuddin. Okay.
41 days, my lord, already thoroughly interrogated. In the meantime, my lord, the police got sufficient opportunity to.
Okay. Now, what about the other?
Other is Deborah's Kormakar, my
Yes,
friend.
what
is
is
here.
your case?
May I please, your lordship?
Hmm.
Lordship, I'm the tenant of the aforesaid house, lordship. And my PAN card is also seized by the investigating agency from the room premises. My lord, I have no knowledge about the 50,000, my lord, because I used to went to duty and went to for my job and
What you do?
a private job too.
What is that?
Instruction.
Huh?
As per his,
So according to you, how he entered into your house?
He's my friend, lordship.
He's your friend.
Yes.
So you help him to stay in your house. You went to your job.
Sometimes he visits, lordship.
So he has taken. So according to he and according to him, you. These are the friendship. Anyway, yes, Bhattakur.
here statement of the house owner is available, my lord. House
What
owner-
is she says?
What she said, my lord, my name and address so and so is, I am 55 years old. I am a government employee by profession and serving as Numaligarh Refinery. Deborah Kormakar and Saifuddin Suja has been staying in my rented house since last month as a tenant. So both are tenant of, my lord, of the
Yes.
house owner.
Anything to be added?
Lordship, the report of the lordship.
Hmm?
The fake currency.
That will take, that's why we are not allowing it. Report will come, machines are there.
This is the statement of your lordship Deborah Kormakar. Lordship.
Lordship, already 40 days behind the bar, lordship.
Maybe.
Other
Next,
cast.
Saifuddin Suja. In fact, he admitted how he involved with Nagar Saifuddin Suja.
Will be required.
Yes.
You are a victim,
Yes, ma'am.
but part of the gang. You have now become part of the gang. Because those people will have
Yes.
to be
Yes.
identified.
Custodial interrogation.
That will be required. He is the main.
Yes, he is the man.
You are the main.
The currency pays 8 lordship. I am, my lord, a licensed to my lord trader lordship. I'll keep the
License to trade what?
My lord, some, my lord,
License to trade fake currency.
no lordship. My
Then?
lord, I came, my lord, I already there.
Oh, he was a manager in
Hotel
Hotel Ambaris, front desk manager. He can speak fluently English, and because of the customer, he was engaged so that he can deal with
Yes, my lord.
smart clients. You have engaged him because he was in a dearth of money. Then he become involved.
I don't know what is the, my lord, Next year, lordship. Now, anyway, my lord, 41 days, my lord.
You don't know, that's why we are letting you know.
Thoroughly interrogated lordship. My lord, that may be the length of detention.
Now you know
Lordship.
and know the reason
What is
also.
the record? Well, I don't know, lordship, what is there. My lord, but in as per instruction, I am submitting lordship. Now, one thing I am submitting, a thoroughly interrogated lordship in my humble submission, my lord. Further custodial interrogation may not be necessary because, my lord, during custody also, judicial custody also, my lord, the investigating officer lordship has not come to interrogate lordship. During, my lord, police demand has interrogated lordship. Will cover lordship 41 days, my lord, my lord.
Hard. Senses.
Lordship, I'll appear before the IO agent when required, Lordship, ready to cooperate. Any condition, Lordship.
Both, my lord.
Should we grant him?
Yes, otherwise from his statement, it seems
We
that well,
should
he
grant
is-
him, not him.
Yes, well, because of
Yeah.
the seven.
You will go, you will come out,
I'll
lordship. I will be there, lordship.
File the charge sheet
Lordship.
at the earliest.
That, my lord, may be considered,
If you
lordship.
complete, charge them.
My lord, may be
Item,
considered both
your
lord-
item is
18, my lord.
18. While Swenso. The present petitioner and one Soifuddin Souza were tenant under one Junumani Saikia. And on suspicion, this may not be fake currencies
Yes, ma'am.
because they got in exchange.
Exchange, ma'am.
They got in exchange with the
Yes.
smart clients through him.
Yes, ma'am.
কি করলো? These two petitions are taken up together for disposal. Full stop. The petitioners, namely Deborah Karmakar and Soifuddin Souza, were tenant under one Junumani Saikia. Full stop. Junumani Saikia. The investigating officer on suspicion searched the tenanted premises and recovered rupees 550,000 recovered fake Indian suspected fake Indian currency note amounting to rupees 50,000 of rupees 500 denomination. Along with the aforesaid cash, certain other materials such as other materials were also recovered. And they were arrested on
One is 14/3/24, item.
Deborah was arrested on
My lord, forwarded on 15.
15/3/2024 and Soizuddin was arrested. So okay, or they were arrested on 15th. Okay, together. And since then they are behind bars. Full stop. Case diary produced is there. The material so far collected submits that the accused Soifuddin Souza suggests that Soifuddin Souza is one of the kingpin of an alleged racket of FIC and of fake Indian currency note. Full stop. The material further suggests that the accused Deborah Karmakar, though is aware of such facts and involved in the racket in an extent, but however his role was to the
to the extent of luring clients as he earlier worked in a hotel as manager.
Yes.
Full stop. Considering the material so far collected, this court is of the opinion that further interrogation of accused Saifuddin Suja may be necessary. More particularly to unearth the other person who are involved in this in commission of the offense. Full stop. However, so far it relates to Deborah's Karmakar. This court is of the opinion that his further custodial detention may not be necessary. Accordingly, the so-and-so is granted bail with the following. Accordingly, the prayer of bail of petitioner in so-and-so, that is Muhammad Saifuddin Suja, is stands rejected. However, so-and-so is granted bail with the following conditions to the satisfaction of CJM Kamrup.
My lord, my lord, it may be deferred, my lord, without my lord. It may be, he may be
We have
kept for
passed the order.
further 1 week.
We have
lordship.
passed the order.
My lord,
Kamrup Metro, my lord.
my lord,
Look,
he may be kept
next
further
case.
1 week lordship.
Next case. Huh? কিমান আছে আৰু? Bail hearing? Bail hearing তাৰপিছত কি আহিব এতিয়া? Hearing সব adjournment হৈছে নেকি? Okay, ঠিক আছে.
Yes, so this is I for consideration of bail.
Yes.
This is a criminal appeal. The accused petitioner.
Yes, but how ready?
Kindly after some time, learner APP.
May I please your lordship?
Yes.
So in this case, the opposite party was supposed to file objection, my lord.
No, we haven't taken time for objection.
Huh?
We haven't taken time for objection, your lordship.
Will you file or no, not
No,
file?
we'll not file.
Will not file. Okay. Then what is this matter?
Criminal appeal, my lord, against conviction, my lord.
Conviction under 304B, your lordship.
Whether it has been admitted?
Yes, my lord.
It has
Admitted.
come for orders, your lordship.
Why this matter is listed today?
There's a IA criminal, your lordship.
Are you ready with the IA?
My senior is another court, my lord.
So tell us whether you are ready, we'll proceed or not. Don't waste time.
Not a short date may be given.
Okay, on the prayer of the learned council, IA to likhibo. On the prayer of the learned council for the applicant appellant, matter stands adjourned and be listed. Give a date, May 13th of May.
Oblige, your lordship.
Yes,
May I please, your lordship.
yes, Pathak.
Appeal is against the conviction.
Against conviction, admitted,
Appeal
appeal is
also.
admitted.
I will not admit it. My lord, it was actually a fifth date, but last 4 occasions, case it could not reach. And there is IA for suspension of the.
Appeal is not yet admitted. Okay, appellate লিখক। কালি কেনেকৈ দিছিলে? Admit, call for a record, issue notice. Okay. Any private respondent?
No.
What is the sentence?
Then there was 4 years conviction.
Okay.
In section, under section 314.
314.
314, I think. Vejali.
Anything on record to see FIR, some evidences?
No. Evidence, my lord, judgment is in record.
Judgment, on the basis of judgment, how can we pass an IA? We'll see the material. If we read the judgment, we are influenced against you. Isn't it? Because judgment will be nicely written, we'll reread it.
Let's come the record.
4 years. IA should have at least
If 5 years already, my lord.
Okay. Admit, এটা লিখো issue notice returnable on give a date after 4 weeks. Whatever accepts notice. যদি আছে চাই ল'ব this ISL be considered on receipt of the LCR.
45.
আমার objection fail করা
Maybe. In this case, it's sort of passing of a proceeding, my lord, under section 376, my lord. When notice was issued, my lord, today was a date for passing an interim order after receipt of notice by the private respondent. That's point number 2, my lord.
Notice is not received.
Yes, I have seen the note sheet, my lord. But let me take fresh steps to concern police station, my lord, because that is the address given in our statement also, in the complaint, in the FIR also, my lord. Totally the case of consensus. Yes, he has admitted in the 164 also.
Whatever, go
Yes.
through these materials, what are this market,
yes
more particularly her statement 161, 164.
164.
yes
Huh?
yes
You see that? Whether it's consensual or any that promise and all are there.
Conception, misconception of fact.
Misconception of
Section
fact.
90.
Yes. So you see all this. But notice was issued to the respondent number 2 by this court under this order dated 22/3/2024. However, office note dated 2/4/20 22/4/2024 reflects that the notice has been returned with a postal remark within inverted comma insufficient address. Full stop. Mr. Katoke, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the address was given as per the statement recorded, statement of the victim recorded during the course of trial, as well as reflected in the proceeding. And they do not have any other address. Full stop. In view of the aforesaid submission, let the notice be served through
Concerns, order,
concerns police station, that is
order, Dibrugarh police.
the Dibrugarh Sadar Police Station, and registry to do accordingly. The petitioner will take steps, necessary steps, so that registry can issue notice. You take steps, registry
Yes.
will give it through the.
The next day,
Okay, you will list this matter on 24th of May 2024. The scan copies has already been received. Mr. Bothakur, Lord Additional Public Prosecutor, is permitted to go through the same and so as to assist this court. Full stop. The interim prayer shall be considered on the next date fixed.
I think item number 42, my lord, this matter may kindly with due consent of the my lord appellant, my lord. Kindly possible for.
Day after tomorrow, it is too much matters. Now we have fixed many matters. Next week, any date?
Yes, my lord.
Tuesday?
Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday. my lord.
Next Tuesday. Possible? 30.
Yes.
Whatever paperwork is prepared, you go through. Give a copy. Are you having a copy?
Yes, my lord, I have. two
Yes.
copies.
এগুলা কি হল অর্ডার ছিল 46 মাটি দিম বলে বুঝলে দেখুন এই অর্ডার ওকে আইটেম This is admission or criminal appeal?
Appeal, criminal appeal.
Admit. I guess
Appeal
I
will be
can
admitted.
admit. Huh? Admit, call for the record, issue notice, file of a private respondent assembly. Huh? Do this.
IAT Dibo issue notice. There is an application that so and so issue notice. The ISL will be considered after receipt of the LC. Yes, next.
Yeah, please.
Yes, Mr. Das.
Jimma was rejected.
Why rejected?
My lord, the impugn order, my lord, page number 13, my lord. I have filed a petition for interim custody of seized cattle, my lord. May I read the impugned order, my lord?
Where is this section 115? Let us see. Section 11.5 of
Yes,
the.
my lord.
This matter will require, suppose there is a if statutory bar, there is a prima facie case,
Lordship.
then what should be, it will require some deliberation. It's not like other cases.
Yes, yes.
In fact, my lord, there is no express bar in the section, my lord.
Express bar in the
There
section.
is no such express bar, my lord.
Okay.
As it is held by the learned court below, my lord.
What is it says?
My lord, section 11.5, my lord. May I read?
Yes, I don't have it. Cattle.
Cattle.
I'm not so accustomed with this act. Section 11, no?
If I correctly remember, my lord, there is provision for confiscation also.
Provision, sir.
So-
That's why we want to see.
Yes.
11.5.
11.5, my lord.
For release of
Cattle.
11.5 specifically cattle release দিব নোৱাৰে।
Where is the bar? This is Mr. Das. See the magistrate's understanding.
But in this point, my lord, there is several judgment of our high court, my lord. And also, my lord, I am
And
declaring.
this bank guarantee has not been challenged by anybody. Mr. Das,
My lord.
the provision of bank guarantee,
Uh,
value or equal to the seized material. Nobody has challenged. But in 482, we are giving because
Supreme Court, my lord, clearly says, my lord, 1998, 6 SCC 520, my lord. Paragraph 9, my lord. Paragraph 9. In view of the above discussion and provisions of section 145.
hard.
Yes, Rana, my lord.
he has read the provision shall be released as not.
Yes.
Shall not be.
Shall not be released. This is the difficulty. These are unnecessarily burden a litigation. Hard. So and so. Just give me the details of the fact. The present application is filed. Present revision petition is filed assailing an order dated 7/2/2024 passed by the learned additional chief judicial magistrate, Lakhimpur, Lot Lakhimpur, in connection with Laluk PS case number 08 of 24, whereby the learned magistrate was pleased to reject the prayer of Jimma of 8 numbers of cattle, within bracket bulls, seized in connection with Lakua PS case number Laluk PS case number 8 of 2024. Full stop. The learned magistrate rejected the prayer of Jimma on the ground that under section 11 within bracket 5 of the Assam Cattle Preservation Act 2021, there is an express bar from giving Jimma of seized cattle in a particular case when a prima facie case is made out. Prima facie case is made out against prima facie case is made out. Full stop. In the considered opinion of this course, such determination is not in conformity with the provision of section 11(5) of the Act 2021. Act 2021. 2021. Section 11 of the Assam Cattle Preservation Act 2021 deals with power to enter, inspect, search, seizure, and detain and detention. Subsection 5 provides that a judicial magistrate first class, on his being satisfied that there is enough material to presume that a prima facie offense under the Act has been committed or intend to be committed, may release the seized materials, including vehicle / cattle, however, subject to furnishing of a bank guarantee, equal to the value of the material or vehicle / conveyance to the satisfaction of the court, pending disposal of the criminal proceeding instituted in respect of the alleged offense. Thus, it is clear that from the aforesaid provision that the legislature in its wisdom has empowered a magistrate even to grant Jimma subject to certain conditions enumerated therein, even if there is a prima facie satisfaction of commission on offense. However, unfortunately, the learned magistrate has read such provision in an absolute opposite direction. In view of the aforesaid, the impugned order stands set aside and quashed. Full stop. Then, apni likhibo, the so far relating to Jimma, the Honorable Apex Court in Swencho Emurago judgment today, therefore allowed with all these conditions. We'll just give a paragraph so far relating our interpretation and 482 power in case of bank guarantee. It will take 2 days time to complete the order. Okay, you will get after 2 days. You keep this in the file, December.
My lord, in this case, I have been furnished with the copy of the petition only few days back, my lord. I would like to file an objection to this petition, my lord.
Okay.
So 2 weeks time maybe, lord.
Okay, learned. Mr. Goswami, learned counsel for the respondent submits that he may be granted 2 weeks time to file an affidavit in opposition. Full stop. In as much as it is his case that certain factual aspect has been brought in this revision petition. Prayer is allowed with this matter after 2 weeks.
Deeply obliged.
Interim order passed earlier shall continue.
Obliged.
We are inclined to dismiss this petition.
May I please, your lordship, as per office noted,
Yes.
22/4/24 service report is evaluated upon the sole respondent also.
await service report in respect of
Sole respondent.
and list after 3 weeks.
Name is there.
Huh? Two, respondent number 2. List after 3 weeks. Interim order pass earlier shall continue in the meantime.
One.
Yes, Mr. Yeah.
This is with regard to, my lord, quashing of the order of framing of charge and whole of the proceeding itself, my lord. And the ground on which I have preferred this petition, my lord, is with regard to, my lord, falsity of the case and with regard to male fide, my lord, abusing the process of the court. The criminal case has been instituted, my lord.
Now, where is the say? Yes,
The
sir.
other side is there, my lord. Nobody.
Wakalatnama name has been shown.
Name has been shown in the, my lord.
So that is fine, but for quashing, we need the scan copies, isn't it?
Yes, scan copy is not there, my lord.
My lord, lower court record, whatever 161 statement, my lord, I have annexed each and everything. 164 statement also.
You have annexed.
And apart from that, the documents which are, my lord, cannot be disputed, is been annexed here, my lord. On that very basis, I am before this honorable court for.
Okay, so then we can, according to you on your petition, we can make a determination.
Yes.
Office note dated 22/4/2024 reflects that Mr. M. Chaudhary and Mr. M. Mondal have entered appearance on behalf of respondent number 2 by filing wakalatnama. So their names are also reflected in the cause list. However, none appears for the respondent number 2. So, be that as it may, in the interest of justice, the matter stands adjourned and be listed after 2 weeks.
Right.
After 2 weeks. After 2 weeks. If none appears for the respondent on that day also, this court may proceed to determine the issue raised in this petition. Full stop. List accordingly. Interim order pass shall earlier shall continue till the next date of listing.
Supplementary.
What is this?
Lordship, the petitioner hearing of challenges the order of the session court, my lord.
Order of the sessions court. Where is the order?
I'll say page 58.
Page
47, my lord.
Page 47.
Revision posting.
Against what? This revision is against?
125, my lord.
Huh?
125 proceeding, my lord. Revision has already preferred, my lord, and shall be dismissed, my lord. And this is for sure, nice. One time, so. Maintenance of this.
Where is the private respondent?
Name has been shown, my lord. None appears.
Any interim order?
No.
Why should we interfere?
Lordship, 6,500, my lord. It is not possible.
That lady, are you paying? On last occasion, somebody
Lordship.
appeared.
Yes, T Islam normally appears. I do not.
Who is the
T Islam.
T Islam was there. We are supposed to dictate this here. Okay.
Let it be.
Ladies better on next Thursday. Next Thursday. Yes. He might have thought whether it will list before 12:15. Yes.
Hearing. Item 50.
This is 2013 matter. Somebody sought for an adjournment. Why? Huh?
Item number 52.
Against what?
Pass out the timing.
Where is the impugn order?
Whole entire criminal proceeding. Who is for the petitioner?
Lordship, item number 53.
Item number?
53.
Yes.
Informed that the CBI called us up seeking some time for hearing today. That's why your
That is between you and the CBI.
yes, your lordship.
You have not, nobody has taken consent from this court.
This
This is not a-
Do the case, Lordship.
2013 matters.
For lordship for time being, your lordship.
Timing is fine, but 2013-14 method will, otherwise we could not have come prepared. We could have taken 4 more methods. List is over at 12:30. Yes, next case. 55. Yes, Mr. Goswami.
A fair question, my lord.
Yes. Yes, that's ready.
That is, no, my lord, on the last occasion, my lord, Ms. Jahan. As Jahan, my lord, she had, she was directed, my lord, to respond with instructions. Her name also reflects in the call list.
Control. Exam marathon করার দিবা হেভি আছে দিবা তো রেসপন্স করতে দিবা
There was no stay.
No.
Where is the FIR?
Page 11.
Page?
11. This was as per, my lord, the particular observations made at page 16 by the learned tribunal below, my lord.
Where is the judgment?
My lord, that is the next, my lord, annexure 2. Relevant part is at page 16. But page 16, man. I'm just reading on, but strangely enough, no FIR was filed at that time. On close scrutiny of the evidence on record, I am of the considered view that it is a collusive case and police of Dhula PS, on being approached by the claimant, must have subsequently issued the police report. Exhibit 1, showing the Maruti car as the offending vehicle in place of an unknown truck, which in fact caused the accident and managed to run away. For the aforesaid reason, I am not inclined to grant any compensation to the claimant and the claim stands dismissed. I think it would be appropriate to direct the crime investigating department to conduct a thorough investigation
Okay,
and
then.
take appropriate action against the conduct, my lord. And then, my lord, this was from the insurance company, my lord. The Director General of Police. On the basis of which, my lord, the CID PS case was registered, my lord.
So why should you cause this?
My lord.
Why should you cause this? Ground.
My lord, the present petitioner is the one who had come subsequently, my lord. He filed the charge sheet, my lord. And what he found, he submitted.
Fine, they will investigate, they will give you a final report against you, that's all.
My lord, this
There is a direction to do a thorough inquiry.
My
Why
lord,
are you
no-
shying away?
My lord, this is dated 2015. No sanction was sought, my lord.
Is
There
it
was no
necessary at the time of FIR, sanction is seeking a sanction?
Even till date, my lord, and the status, my lord, so far as status, nothing has moved, my lord. They, in
Not
spite of that,
necessary.
they are-
Why?
they are-
Because of this petition, the whole investigation is stalled.
There is no interim order also.
So therefore, we are closing this today.
There is no interim order also.
Maybe.
In the meantime, my lord, I am approaching my retirement, my lord. I have also been promoted.
That is, see, why are you apprehended if you have not done anything? This is only an investigation.
I would just like to show, my lord, take your lordship to one, my lord, at page 18, my lord. If at all,
See,
my lord,
if you are, see, suppose you are not at all involved,
my lord,
fine.
my lord.
They will not file a search sheet against you. You have already been protected by a grant of bail. Why should we stall to find out the actual culprit? There is no culprit is named, only said that this is some police officer of Dhula
Yes,
police
yes, of the
station,
Thana,
of Dhula police station.
yes, of Dhula police
Director
station.
General says, please inquire into matter and investigate it. Why are you coming and why should we stall the investigation entirely in terms of your,
Huh?
as
My lord,
simple as that.
my lord, page 18, my lord, for once, my lord, page 18, page 18, my lord. This was the recording made in the order passed on my bail application, my lord.
Page 18.
Yes, my last paragraph about the middle portion, my lord. In the statement of the petitioner recorded under section 161 CRPC, the petitioner has taken a stand that after
Fine, there is no problem. You have taken a statement, there will be you will not be sent for trial. You will not be charged. Then you come. If you are charged, why should we stall to find out the actual culprit? We accept that you are not there. Why should we quash the FIR investigation?
Actual culprit, my lord, they have.
Let them
Yes,
do.
ma'am.
They have started the
Apparently, my
investigation.
lord, they had recorded as a.
They have started the investigation. You have been granted anticipatory bail. Why should we stall the investigation?
Until date, nothing has happened.
Dismissed.
Till date, nothing has happened. No proceeding, nothing, my lord. That it remained as that. This is of 2015, my lord. No interim order.
Anything to be added?
Well, in any case, my lord,
Within the parameter of quashing an FIR, this is not a case. More particularly on two counts. First is, nobody has named, neither in the MSC order nor in the FIR. You were an officer during that period. You made a statement that I came subsequently.
Yes, ma'am.
That statement is recorded. On the basis of the statement, you have been granted bail. Why are you afraid of the investigation?
No, I am not afraid.
If you are not afraid, why should we quash this? Why, no,
This is coming in the way of my career, my lord. The CID case against me, my lord. My promotions are not moving.
file a writ petition saying that they have not granted me promotion because of penance. We'll set aside and ask you to give.
No, just now my lord stated
Say
that
that
he has
he has
been
been
promoted.
They promoted, my lord, to DSP, my lord. And further promotions have been
That
stopped,
you
my
file a
lord.
writ petition.
And I'm,
That you file a writ
approaching
petition that
retirement,
this
my
is, that can be a very good case, not for quashing. Dismissed. Order will
lord.
follow.
May I just pray for observation to that extent?
And of course. Of course, we'll give an observation. We'll record your argument that he has said. We'll say that that cannot be a ground and that can be raised in a writ petition, not here.
My lord.
Dismiss.
My lord.
These matters are pending since
Much obliged,
2021. Yes. Dismiss will pass the order later on. Next week we'll get the order.
I pray for that observation.
That observation. Yes, next. Yes.
Lordship, we are newly engaged in this matter. We file an IA in this matter for reconsideration of order dated 18.
What was the order?
Order was to pay 50% of the decretal amount, my lord. My lord, we have calculated the amount, my lord. It total amount will be 70 lakhs 23,000 and 100 rupees, my lord. If 50% of the amount, then it comes to, my lord, 35 lakhs 11,000 550 losses. My lord, as per my lord, statutory provision, my lord. My lord, it is mention 25,000 or 50%, whichever is lesser, my lord.
Where?
My lord, section 173, my lord.
We'll finish it off, Mr. Mondal. If you want to respond to this IA, let a notice be issued, formal notice. We are taking this matter next week.
Your lordship, already they have served me a copy.
No, but we'll have to issue a formal notice. Na? Hard
Yes.
Swenso, decision application, Swenso, issue notice. You'll have to satisfy whether this application is maintainable at all. Swenso. Mr. Mondal accepts, issue notice, Mr. accepts notice on behalf of the sole respondent.
Yes, sole
Sole
respondent, sole respondent.
List this matter for further consideration on 3rd of May is next week, thereafter. 10th of May.
Friday.
10th of May?
Your
Or
lordship, can it be on hearing day because it will come on order, then it will
Okay.
got disposed of.
okay. 9th of May?
Highly obliged. Highly obliged.
Mr. Bodhakur, we are keeping you awaiting, but we'll take it up. We are taking these matters. So let us see what is we do not know about the next week.
Lordship.
Thereafter, we are fixing this matter. Okay. And we'll dictate. We're not keeping it as a CAB. Okay. Hard at some length for list for further hearing on. I thought you were sitting in some other cases. No.
For this.
16th of May. Hope you will also be free by that time.
19 minor short sheet submitted in this case. Short sheet submitted.
Search sheet submitted. Any inquiry search sheet submitted?
DML.
Yeah. So Learned Council, BA, huh? Search sheet submitted being
66/23
dated
dated 28/2/23.
28/2/2023. In view of the petition, this petition stands cancelled, with permitting the petitioner to file appropriate application before the learned court. No, permitting the petitioner shall be at liberty to file appropriate application for seeking regular bail. On the event of such bail petition is filed, same may be considered, same should be considered as per logic can dispose of. Yes.
33 minor short sheet submitted in this case.
Search sheet submitted, na? Any interim? No.
No interim.
No interim. Search sheet submitted. Being search sheet number
5/24 dated 24/2/24.
24/2/24. Yes. Going to hearing. Okay, at 2.
My lord, my lord, I like to apprise one thing, my lord.
Yeah.
One of the petitioner, he died, my lord, Joydev Das. And this honorable court asked me, my lord, to get that death certificate, my lord, but they are no more in the Guwahati, my lord. The widow lady, she has left, my lord. We have no contacts at this time, my lord.
We'll see. Let the matter be called.
Second up.
We'll see. These are 2013 matter, death to criminal petition.
And I'm representing one Lalchand also, my lord. He is alive or not, that I do not know. Last time he has gone to, my lord, Apollo Hospital for his cardio, my
That
lord.
is the faith, and this is because of our inability.
My lord,
Our means not only me or courts, the lawyers also. Nobody is interested doing cases.
That is.
2013 matters adjournment are sought at 10:15. Having a consensus between the lawyers, and nobody is thinking about the court.
My lord. My
And there is a mandate, there is a notification which says that it should be intimated to the court. We are not adjourned.
Well,
We'll see.
yes, my lord.
Died or not died, if we dismiss, why should we require? If we allow, then we'll see, let the CBI
My
come.
lord, my submission be to record it.
We will record it.
And your lordship.
2013 matter, you just wait, we will come back at
Second of my lord.
second. Yes.
আস্থা ফেলতো এটা যে দ্বিতীয় যেমন বলি মাসে আস্থা ফেলতো
ভিতর টিপলে কোলা দিয়ে আছে এই নাম্বার 55
Before, yeah.
55 55 there.
Nine five.
সুবিধাও আজি খতম হৈ গ'ল এই নাম্বার 13 কি দিলাও 13 to 16 পাই ওই বুঝলো কি কইছ এটা দিলি সারা দিলি কিমান হেৰি কৰোঁ কাম কৰোঁ মোক এজনে দি থৈ গ'ল ৰিটায়াৰ হ'ল যে কল খাম লাইভটো বন্ধ কৰি দিছে লাইভ
Okay.
Lordship, before my learning friend starts up, I received a mail yesterday from CBI Lordship. So they sought abroad vendor for filing a reply. He's a HOB, Jitendra Singh Meena is the HOB, head of branch of CBI Guwahati.
We'll record.
No.
This matter is pending since 2013.
Let the matter be kept as part, let them
No,
start.
no, question of, it's not a question of part heard.
Okay. And we'll finish it up, Lordship. within-
It's not a question of part heard. It's a matter pending since 2013
Okay.
and there is a stay.
Okay.
And in the meantime, who died?
That is
Another issue. You are appearing, Mr. Kamar, in which side petition?
I'm in 53.
You are in
Criminal
53.
petition 226.
Okay, now 54.
I was appearing, but he died, my.
Okay, he died.
Jaidev Das, he died, my lord.
Okay.
And Lal Chand, I am representing.
Lalsan and Gyasuddin, these are two appellant, accused appellant.
Lalsan is Mr. Kamar.
Yes, no, I'm Gyasuddin.
Lal Chand, myself, I am representing.
And what is criminal miscase?
This is for expeditious disposal of the case. For expeditious disposal of the case.
When have you filed it?
Way back, Lordship.
Hmm?
Way back, Lordship. LCR has been received by this court, Lordships, long back, Lordship. It's recently, Lordship, not long back, recently.
Who will pay the cost for taking adjournment? Yes, Mr. Kamar. Please show us what is under challenge.
So far, my petition is concerned because I stand in a different footing from his. My contention is that before the FIR was lodged, the money that was taken on loan from the bank was already paid. So in that event, no case ought to have been registered against me or.
Where is the case, FIR and proceeding?
Yes, ma'am. FIR is at page 25.
Page 25.
Yes, ma'am. Originally, I was not named in the FIR. Can I read, madam?
Okay, then. So initially your name is not there.
Not.
Only name was so far relating to the present bits of petitions.
Yes.
That is Joydev.
Lalchan.
Joydev was the
Joydev
branch
and
manager.
Lalchan.
Yes.
Joydev and Lalchan.
Lalchand and all these are beneficiaries according to the CPA.
Beneficiaries, Joydev created the account and this is, okay. Now,
So my contention is that, my lord, this FIR happens to be lodged after I paid back the loan amount, my lord. When I
No.
was given notice by the bank, the FIR is registered on, my lord, please.
no, this is FIR is registered on, anyway.
No, that
How you have been made accused?
because I also took the loan according to them, Joydev
No,
favored me.
that we understand, but on the basis of material, what kind of material you have been sent for?
That is the only material, my lord, that I have taken loan, and it was along with the conspiracy, he has extended the loan. And one more factor he has given that.
What is the charge against you? Detail of the charge.
Charge is not framed, my lord. I have come for quashing of
Page
the
number
charge sheet.
29 is a charge sheet.
Yes, sorry,
Yes.
charge sheet, where is your name is mentioned?
My lord.
Sri Joydev is at page 52.
Yes.
What about you? Accused one. You are Mr. Lalchan. Lalchan is
No,
at
I am
page
Gyasuddin.
53. Gyasuddin at page 53.
Yes.
Page number
No,
30.
that is order my lord is looking into. 35 it starts, my lord.
35.
Page number 34 and 35 is the Ghiasuddin last part of.
35 is Central Bureau of Investigation.
Page number 35 down below, Lordship will get the charge.
That Mohammed Ghiasuddin, your lordship got it. Inner page is page 18 of the charge sheet.
That is, I think,
Your lordship said 53, probably 35.
this is. FIR is at page 25. Huh? FIR ends at which page? 31.
FIR ends at
FIR is 25 to 28, my lord, and charge sheet is from 29 to 45.
29 to 45.
45.
No. 29 is the last part. Yours faithfully, Rajendra Prasad Singh, Deputy General Manager. Ends the FIR.
28 is last page of FIR. 28.
29 is the last page of FIR. 30 starts with annexer.
No, 29 is the first page or something. is on the-
30.
I
This
check
is,
it, my lord. If your
Something
lordship-
is-
Ma'am,
this is Lal Chand Agarwal.
Oh,
It is
that's why.
referred to Ghiasuddin.
We are on Ghiasuddin.
Ghiasuddin, Lordship.
Who is arguing in Lal Chand? Yes. Okay, give the other first.
My lord, in the nutshell, my lord, I'll make understand is that, my lord. A case was registered against other person, including me. I am a private person. Bank said, my lord, due to oversight, they have credited 5 lakhs to my account, which I have already cleared, and they have issued no due clearance certificate, which your lordship will see my additional affidavit. In
Now
the
tell
meantime,
us the charge against you.
my lord, lordship will see
Yes, yes.
annexure 3, my lord.
35. Charge sheet.
Lordship
34.
is looking charge sheet.
34 is the charge sheet.
Charge sheet, lordship will see at page. My name appear at page 39, my lord, serial number 3, Lal Chand Agarwala.
Specific charge is at
53.
4 against Lal Chand.
So, my lord, 52, it is written there, my lord, before charge is over, my lord, above the charge. Private persons, namely Likha Soni, Sri Lal Chand Agarwal, Ghiasuddin Ahmed, Abidi Parikh, and Bhagirath Sonowal, wrongful loss to the bank to the tune of such.
Where are you reading?
Page number, he is reading page number 52, just above the.
52.
Yes,
Charge, Sri Joydev Das.
he is reading just above the charge.
Above the charge. 3 lines, man. Lordship has come across.
May I, Lordship, if the Lordship goes through, starts the reading from page number 51 onward, 51 last down below, Lordship. It will be very
That is what I am doing.
51.
So, need to-
51. Okay, follow problem, but it was not done.
What was the necessity of opening a bank account fraudulently?
It's not necessary, my lord.
But this is the allegation.
My lord, that may be, my lord, what happened, my lord, if your lordship permit me 2 minutes time, my lord, I'll clarify the position is that. I am a private person. I am doing my business. Bank, they themselves written that due to oversight, the overcredit of 5 lakhs has been given. So you return with interest, which I have did. I returned everything. They have given me no due clearance certificate. Even though-
that is another aspect.
My
That
lord,
is
I'll
as
come back.
regards to loan.
Even after that, my lord, assuming my lord, Jaydev Das or bank authority has done something wrong. They went to DRT for recovery of that amount 14 crores against the person involved in the game, my lord. Some Likhasoni or something, my lord, which I have obtained certified copy of the DRT, my lord. That DRT is, your lordship, it is there in the additional affidavit. Now, my lord, I have approached to the learned court below with a petition, since there is no liability against me. Maybe for misconcept, my lord, my name was dragged into and cognizance was taken. That, my lord, the learned court below did not consider. For which, my lord, I am before your lordship.
Okay. But allegation is not regarding bank loan and something. It is allegation is that account was fraudulently created by a person in the name of somebody by signing a fraudulent signature.
It is not by me, my lord.
That is the allegation. It may not
No,
be
no,
by
my
you.
lord.
Can you
That is-
determine
no,
this?
no,
This
there
is,
no specific allegation against Lalchan.
yes, read it,
Yes.
page 53.
53 years.
53, read it.
54 lordship. Specific allegation is against Lalchan is 54 down below lordship.
Yes, my lord. Priority current account number, so Moonlight, it is not me, Srimati Nebulal Yadav is a proprietor, one.
Posing the signature as Nebulal Jadhav.
The
Introducer
furniture
signature was false.
residential address was mine, was issued.
Hmm.
Soil Nivas, 5th floor, Guwahati. Investigation revealed that the account was opened at the instance of Lalchand Agarwal. Lalchand Agarwal by his.
Same allegation as regards Gyasuddin.
Same.
Then where you want page 54?
54 down
54
below.
down below, my lord.
Last paragraph.
Lalchan Agarwal.
Yes.
ma'am.
The proprietor current account.
Current account number so and so in the name of Moonlight Enterprise with Sri Nebulal Yadav as a proprietor of the account Allahabad Bank, Laktokia branch on 2002 by furnishing residential address of Lalchand Agarwal, Sohil Nivas for so and so. Investigation revealed that the account was opened at the instance of Lalchand Agarwal by his then employee Sri Bhagirath Harswal by impersonating and for signature as Nebulal Yadav.
And where is Mr. Kamar's client's allegation against Mr. Kamar's client?
53. 53.
53.
Sorry, in that case, I don't know. In
Yes, that is there, my lord.
What is his name?
Inner page 18.
In this
Inner
page,
page 18. Okay, which is your name is?
That Mohammed Gyasuddin last.
Mohammed Gyasuddin.
request number 6 is the director of science syndicator. Itu nahoy jini. Allahabad Bank, Laktokia branch in the name of Sun Syndicate so and so was being operated by Mohammed Gyasuddin and the director.
Okay, and what is the other allegation against these two persons? That in the search sheet?
Mostly, my lord, what I find, my lord, is against Jaydev Das,
56 is also the Lalchan Agarwal.
58.
58 by
Quid
the
pro quo amount, exchange of amount.
58, my lord, Jaydev Das had given credit of 5 lakhs into the account of so and so Purvanchal traders in the receipt of the copy CD advised Allahabad and Ludhiana branch for the credit of 5 lakh received at their end. Mrs. Honey Coal Traders functioning favoring Purvanchal trader a second credit of that given to the account number on the receipt of the original CD advised the Ludhiana funds credited to the account of Purvanchal was returned by Lalchan for his business purpose. The repeat credit of was given the Purvanchal trader withdrawal of the funds made by Lalchan Agarwala appropriate so and so dishonestly fraudulently amount to the sundry creditors of the branch.
Is there any stay?
Yes, lordship in both the cases.
Where is that stay order?
Lordship.
In this case, there is no stay, Lalsan.
Common order was given.
Where is that?
If your lordship will see the record, my lord, Larsen, it is there. Connected cases. I got this.
What about the others? Interim order is not stay of the proceeding. Says so far relating to framing of charges against this accused person.
The case has been fixed for framing of charge only.
We filed a petition under section 91 calling for certain documents. That was also rejected, which is also under challenge in this.
In which case?
In my case.
Okay.
Yes.
I filed a petition, madam, calling for certain public documents before charge hearing.
Lordship on 5/6/13. 5/6/13, there's a order passed by this honorable.
No,
whereby
5/6/13 is a order which said that the trial
Postpone.
court may postpone framing of charges against accused petitioners.
Yes, and again in.
There is no absolute stay. And
Lordship,
what
in the-
happened to their other accused person?
Lordship, in
They have not before this court.
It was stayed back.
Hmm?
Because I am appearing in the trial court.
When will you be ready?
After 2 weeks, Lordship, any date. I am, Lordship, with regard to Lalsan Agarwal, I had a discussion with the IO of this case also. He gave me all the details, Lordship. And Lordship, only to file and reply to the petition filed by the Ghiasuddin. Lordship.
Why you need to file reply? It's a quashing. We need the
Quashing,
case diary, that's all.
Lordship. Yes, there is very voluminous, Lordship. You'll have to, it's very difficult.
Voluminous, prepare it. You have taken a responsibility of
Yes.
CBS, being CBS standing
Yes,
counsel.
Yes, yes. So therefore, Lordship, I had a talk with the IO also. So he,
Go through it, flag mark, it will see it. We can handle it.
Lordship.
Forget about voluminous.
Otherwise, Lordship, prima facie case has been made out.
We are feeling bad. This
Prima
is
facie-
not the way. If you are not interested, tell us, close this, we'll close it. If CBI is not interested.
Lordship, it is was who.
It's
who
like
said-
that.
No.
Because this is a matter of 2013 and adjournment is thought on your behalf. And you have the verification, confirmation regarding date of Joydev.
I think,
That will be another ground on the next date for adjournment.
no, all, I
Can
think,
write, madam, no more adjournment will be given. Have we made chance?
So let him, my lord, we are always ready.
And don't do this that you are having a consent that will adjourn.
No, my lord, I'll not, now only my. lord,
Now you will
submission be
adjourn and
recorded.
you will come to the court and say that we have given consent, there is an adjournment.
No, my lord.
Where is our consent? Don't do that. We are not ready because 2013 method to adjourn is very difficult.
Kindly write it in the order sheet, Mr. Halu. There's no more adjournment.
no
will
more
be given.
adjournment.
Next day,
No
or-
adjournment, Lordship. I prefer, Lordship, at least if the petitioner starts and made it a parhat, Lordship, then Lordship, in the next date, I will finish it. That can be done.
This is your convenience.
Lordship. Yes,
This is your convenience.
Lordship.
We cannot run as you like, as your convenience. You will not be ready and will suggest how court should run.
No.
This is not accepted. Heard Mr. Jet Kamar. Learned,
Petition number, criminal petition. number.
learned, common order, huh? Sir, common order, senior
Criminal
counsel
Petition number 226.
and Mr. J.I. Borbuya for the
Number.
petitioners
My lord, in item number 50.
Petition, criminal petition number.
and Mr. Renzo, learned standing counsel for CBI. By way of this present batch of writ petition, criminal petition, the prosecution launched, the prosecution application, this application under 482 of the Code of Criminal Procedure is filed for quashment of search sheet number 3 dated 28/11/2008 and the entire 2008 under section 13 within bracket 2 read with section 13 within bracket 1 bracket small c and bracket small d of the Prevention of Corruption Act 1988 and under section 120B read with section 409/418/467/468/471/477A IPC pertaining to special CBI special case number 28/2007, which is pending in the Court of Additional Special Judge CBI Court number 2. This matter is pending since the year 2013. When the matter is listed today for hearing, the Learned Standing Counsel for the CBI has sought for an adjournment on the basis of instruction from his client that CBI wants to file an affidavit in opposition in this regard. Such approach of CBI is unfortunate, inasmuch as a criminal proceeding is stalled since 2013 and they have awakened up to file an affidavit in opposition almost more than 10 years thereafter. However, in the interest of justice, the matter stands adjourned and we listed on given it.
Fourteenth of May, Lordship.
14th of May 2024. 15th of May 2024. By the next date fix, CBI may file their affidavit in opposition if so advised. Otherwise, this court shall proceed to hear this matter on the materials available on record. Now, cost.
Sorry.
Let CBI pay some cost.
Lordship, it will be very adverse remark from me also, Lordship, because
What adverse? It is not against the lawyer.
even in Lordship, it goes against the lawyer only, Lordship.
No.
They target the lawyers only, Lordship. Not only CBI, Lordship, in every case, Lordship. For the
List
petitioner.
accordingly. Mr. Kamar, at 2:30, we don't have any business. And matters from 2010, and you will have very urgency when is inside, no bail.
But I must say one thing, my lord, your lordship is finishing 50 items in a day. That's also no joke, my lord.
No, that is the necessity because cases are pending.
We
People
have
are
seen
not.
in other courts.
People are not getting their due hearing. Suppose a person is on bail, assuming for a moment, but a criminal conviction is upon him.
That is.
Is it not to be heard?
Absolutely, absolutely.
See, at 2:40, we are free.
Much obliged, my lord.